So Trump and Vice President or President Elon Musk have started to assail South Africa, threatening to cut off aid because what they're doing is terrible. They're dispossessing white Boer farmers and they're trying to make it all about like whiteness, which isn't real. We're doing an episode on this, but bear with me for 1 second. They're assailing South Africa for three primary reasons. One, because the South African government is doing some decolonization, land back legislation, which makes people in America uncomfortable if it succeeds. By people, I mean the elites. And two, to punish South Africa for bringing the ICJ case against Israel. And three, to destabilize BRICS, South Africa being the S in BRICS. But what we really want to talk about is this idea of whiteness, this construct that really isn't real, but it's mobilized by the elites on exploited working class white people to create a buffer zone between them, the elites, and more marginalized groups of people. So before the colonial era, there really wasn't a conception of whiteness. We weren't some like one big happy family. If you look at European history, it's basically just all of the Europeans just killing each other, with some notable exceptions like the First Crusade, really the only successful one. And by the time the Fourth Crusade happened, the Crusaders didn't even want to make it to Lebanon, so they just sacked Constantinople. So fuck it. If you want to do a deep dive into the socio-political dynamics of whiteness and kind of like the history of it and why it's also bad for you, person of European descent, check out our new Colonial Outcasts episode, out now on YouTube, Spotify, Apple Podcasts, probably iHeartRadio. Hope to see you there.